See, it's edible too.
It's not
So you got,
edible. It's not edible.
well, it definitely smells edible.
Look at this dream, Hollywood dream.
Hey lovelies, how are you guys doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before I go in, I think I might have filmed this intro up to 1,000 times. In my head, I play a super card of us. Let me play the song. This is a super card of us. Hey, super card of us. Oh yeah, I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen it.
In my head, I play a supercut of us. All the magic we gave up.
Super card of us. I want to quickly welcome my first time subscribers. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much for being here. My name is Rita Murphy Obilago, and on here I'm going to be doing everything health and wellness, down to DIYs, beauty, skincare, lifestyle, natural hair. I am a naturalist, so I'm going to be taking you guys on my natural hair journey. I'm going to do a chit chat where I invite my friends or like any random person to just basically have a chat concerning whatever it is you guys want us to talk about. That is pretty much what my channel is going to be about. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys so much. For those of you who have been viewing, sharing, commenting, liking my videos, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So today's video is going to be very quick, very simple, very easy going, and that is because you can already see the title. It is a DIY. But before you jump into this video, make sure that you check on any link that will pop up. Those are the link that will take you to my last two videos. It is a video where I spoke about my natural, my skincare journey, and a video where I did a DIY lemon oil. So it's important to go through those videos and just get a few informations and find out how I did my lemon oil before you get into this one. Now I'm going to be talking about this pretty baby. Can you see her? Yes, she is a girl. I don't know her name. Maybe I should give her Diana or Diane. I don't know. But we are going to be talking about this natural face oil that I came up with. I came up with this oil at the time I was breaking out, and honestly it has helped me so much. It has helped brighten my skin. It has helped me clear some of the spots that I developed during my acne stage. And like I said, if you haven't seen my skincare journey, watch it. If not, you're not going to know what the breakout was all about, or like the time that I had to deal with acne. So yeah, back to the oil. So it helped me throughout this stage, and I have been really grateful, and that's what I've been using for about 2 years now. So I thought, why not share it with you guys? But before you do that, please make sure that this oil is good for your skin. Don't just go ahead to dive into it. In my last video I shared how you can test run a new product that you buy for your skin. So still make sure that you watch that video. We're still pinpointing to that same video, so make sure that you watch it. So please make sure that it goes well with your skin before you start using it. But I am pretty much sure that it is good for any skin type and any skin color, because the oil that I use for this, they're basically like oil that works for I think about any kind of skin, and they're very, very simple. I think I used about 4 ingredients for this. So make sure that it works for you before you dive into it. And that is pretty much about this video. I want to just quickly show you guys how I use it. I put in this applicator because it is very, very easy for me to apply whenever I want to use it. So after having my bath and moisturizing my face, this is the last thing that I do. I just go in and just like apply, just drop, just a few drops goes a really long way. Just drop it on my face, and just dab it right into my skin. Please, when you're doing this, make sure that you don't go really hard on your skin or on your face. Just stick it in. Make sure that you get it around your entire face. Oh my god, it smells so edible, you guys. I am not even lying. It smells so edible. And just like, just dab it into your skin. And please, when you have this on, make sure that you do not go under the sun, because this has lemon oil in it, and if you know anything about lemon, it can be quite harsh when you're under the sun. It leaves your pores open, and it's that way sun can easily penetrate into your skin. So I don't think you should wear this and go under the sun. Even if you do, make sure that you apply just very little and make sure you have a sunscreen on. But aside from that, I don't even think you should have this on your face when you're under the sun or whatsoever. I think this is best advised to use at night before bedtime. That way it sits on your skin and it does its work properly. So let's just get right into this video. So here are the things we will need for our face oil. We have our tea tree, jojoba, vanilla essential, vitamin E, and our lemon oil. So first I'll be measuring 3 spoons of our lemon oil and throwing it into our measuring cup. Now lemon oil helps kill bacteria, it helps with breakouts, it helps with acne, it helps clear and brighten the skin, and it also exfoliates dead skin from our skin. So I don't even think you want to miss adding this to your face oil. And it also helps leave your pores open, so that whatever treatment you do will literally just be like, going into your skin. So after that, I'll be adding our vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is amazing. You can either use it for an overnight treatment where you apply it on your face and leave it till the next day, or you can add it to your face oil. So I'm adding 15 drops of this. It has a very thick consistency, and it also helps with anti-aging treatment. So after this, we're going in with our tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps with anti-inflammatory, and it also treats bacteria as well. It helps smoothing the skin, it clears the skin, and it helps with acne and scars. So you don't want to miss tea tree in this thing that we're doing. You can basically get tea tree any and everywhere, trust me. So the next is our jojoba oil. Jojoba oil helps with fine lines, wrinkles, scars, and it also helps with sunburn. So if you ever get any sunburn, whatever, just apply your jojoba on your skin, and it also treats acne as well. So you can see that everything we're using helps treat acne. So the next is our vanilla essential oil. This is not just an essential oil, it also helps with wrinkles, fine line, and it also helps with anti-aging treatment. So I don't think you want to miss this. So we're basically going to just mix everything properly. Just mix it so that it would have like a proper consistency. Then I will put it into my hot water. I had to like boil a hot water for this. So the hot water helps you mix it well, and it gives it a very nice running consistency when you're done. So I left it in here for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I got the consistency that I really wanted before I took it out. So please remember not to wear this under the sun. You can either use it overnight, or you can apply it when you are at home, and if at all you want to wear it out and you know you'll be under the sun, please do not forget your sunscreen. So you can see the consistency, it is runny as I want it to be. So I'll be adding it into my applicator bottle. If you don't have this applicator bottle, it's fine. Please, you can use something else, and just make sure that you use this consistently, because if not, you're not going to get the results that you want. So thank you guys so much. This is how you can get your natural face oil done from the comforts of your home. Please make sure that you like this video, subscribe, comment, and share it to everyone. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.